Hello kids, today we are going to learn how to make binoculars out of toilet paper rolls. So your materials are glue, toilet paper rolls, scissors, and colorful, or you can use whatever yarn or string you have at home. Okay, now let's begin. I grabbed a white piece of yarn and a turquoise piece of yarn. So now we're gonna braid it or just twist it around to make a halter for your neck. You can measure your neck, or you can just cut a big length and just like wrap it around each other. So you can do this so it can hang, so the binoculars can hang around your neck. So now we're just gonna tie it from the ends, and once you're done doing that, we're gonna move on to the next step. Once you have braided your string or your yarn, you just tie the ends and your result should end up like this. So then you put this on the side and you get one of your toilet paper rolls, and we're just gonna wrap and we're just gonna put glue around the toilet paper roll to then stick the yarn on top. And you're just gonna continue putting glue around the toilet paper. We're just gonna continue wrapping the yarn around the glue, making sure it sticks. Make sure you put it tightly around and super close together so you won't be able to see the toilet paper roll. And then you're just gonna continue until you get all the way to the bottom. Okay, so now the end result should look something like this. I hope you enjoyed wrapping your yarn around the toilet paper rolls. So now we're gonna get a stapler and we're gonna staple the two toilet paper rolls together. Okay, so now that we stapled them, we're gonna get tape and we're gonna tape your halter to the inside of the toilet paper rolls. So then you're just gonna put your piece of yarn like about the middle of the tape, and you're just gonna put it on the inside of the toilet paper. And now that you have your halter stuck to the inside of your binoculars, you can now hang it around your neck. Thank you for watching and stay safe.